Number 1.
1997 Ford F350, price $7,450, shows approximately 189,000 miles and is equipped with a smooth automatic transmission, paired with a white exterior and a gray interior that has been kept in good condition. Powered by the dependable 460 gas engine, the truck runs exceptionally well and offers a long bed. It features dual gas tanks for extended range, along with a tow package and brake controller. The truck also comes with an aftermarket stereo, adding modern convenience to the cabin, and rides on almost new tires, including a quality spare.
Inside and outside, the vehicle remains very clean, showing signs of proper care over its lifetime. Comfort features include cold air conditioning, and the truck also carries a clean title for peace of mind.
A windshield sunshade is included, helping preserve the interior, and a new battery has recently been installed.
Number 2.
1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,800, comes with approximately 183,000 miles and is powered by a reliable V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, giving it smooth and consistent performance on the road. It sports a blue exterior complemented by a clean gray interior, and the body features well-preserved two-tone paint that still shows great shine for its age. The truck includes an extended cab, providing additional interior space and practicality for passengers or extra storage. Its large sport wheels add both a bold look and improved road presence, while the cabin remains tidy and comfortable, showcasing how well the vehicle has been taken care of over the years. Overall, the Sierra runs and drives great, making it an excellent option for someone seeking a dependable daily driver or a solid base for a project truck with strong potential.
Number 3.
1990 Ford F250, price $5,600. Shows approximately 166,000 original miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior paired with a tidy interior, and is powered by a strong 460 cu in gasoline engine. As a 2WD dually, it provides excellent stability and plenty of torque, making it well suited for towing a camper, a trailer, or even a fifth-wheel setup. The truck runs strong, with smooth and consistent shifting, reflecting good overall mechanical health for its age. It also comes with power windows, adding a bit of convenience to its classic heavy-duty design. The air conditioning currently needs to be recharged, and the steering has a slight pull to the right, but neither issue prevents it from being a dependable daily or work truck.
Number 4.
1992 Ford F150, price $4,900, featuring a clean white exterior paired with a tan interior.
Despite its age, the truck runs and drives impressively well.
It is powered by the reliable 351W engine and offers full 4x4 capability, making it suitable for both daily use and light off-road needs. The transmission has recently been serviced with a complete flush, along with a new filter and replacement shift solenoids, ensuring smoother shifting and improved performance. The owner has invested in many new parts, including a refreshed front end that has been aligned properly, new shocks for a more comfortable ride, and a new fuel pump and filter to keep it running strong. It sits on a set of solid 35-inch tires that still have plenty of life left. Inside, all convenience features are functional. AC, heater, and power windows all work as they should.
Number 5.
1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,300. This truck shows 243,000 original miles and comes with an automatic transmission, a silver exterior, a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. It holds a clean Arizona title under the seller's name and is powered by the Vortec 5.7L V8, which still runs well and comfortably cruises at 75 miles per hour. The truck has current emissions valid until next year, and the AC blows ice cold. All gauges, lights, power mirrors, and cruise control are fully functional.
Inside, the cabin is in good overall condition, though the carpet shows a few spots.
On the outside, the passenger side has hail damage, but the body remains structurally sound.
Number 6.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,300, showing approximately 222,000 miles and equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a classic red exterior paired with a clean gray interior, it runs on gasoline and represents the rugged reliability typical of early 90s Chevy pickups. The truck is reported to run very well, supported by a rebuilt transmission that includes all of the recommended upgrades, providing smoother shifting and improved durability. As a 4x4 model, it offers dependable performance both on and off the road. Inside, it comes with power windows, a tilt wheel, and cruise control, adding comfort and convenience for daily driving or longer trips. The cabin is further equipped with a functioning AC system and a Pioneer stereo, making it comfortable and enjoyable to operate. A sturdy toolbox is mounted in the bed, offering extra storage for equipment or gear.
Number 7.
1963 Dodge D100, price $7,800. This truck comes equipped with an automatic transmission and showcases a striking turquoise exterior paired with a clean white interior, all of which remain true to its original factory setup. Powered by a dependable 4-speed V8 318 engine, the truck runs and drives exceptionally well, demonstrating strong mechanical health for its age. The owner notes that it has never been modified or restored, maintaining 100% originality, including its natural patina that gives it a classic vintage character without any signs of major rust. While the seat will need to be reupholstered, the interior is otherwise well preserved for its era. Running on gasoline and carrying a clean title in hand, this Dodge D100 stands out as a solid, unmolested survivor that is ready for driving, light restoration, or preservation as is.
Number 8.
1985 Dodge D150, price $4,400, shows approximately 130,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, finished in a classic blue exterior with a matching blue interior. Powered by a dependable 318 engine and configured as a 2WD model, the truck has been owned for 4 years and has received consistent care throughout that time. The current owner has installed a new starter, a new water pump, a new AC compressor, and a new thermostat, all of which contribute to its reliability and overall smooth operation. Regular oil and filter changes have helped keep the engine running strong, while the transmission remains in excellent working condition. With its clean North Carolina title and solid maintenance history, this Dodge D150 stands as a well-preserved example of a classic, gasoline-powered pickup.
Number 9.
1966 Ford F250, price $4,700, comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a gasoline-powered 352 V8 engine, a 3-speed setup, and a 4-barrel carburetor, giving it strong and dependable performance for its age. It sports a classic red exterior paired with a matching red interior, maintaining the vintage look and feel of the era. The truck runs great and has been well cared for, having been purchased directly from its original owner. It carries a clean title, and the tags were recently renewed, making it ready for the road.
All electrical components and gauges are in working order, adding to its reliability.
While it does show some rust on the roof, the overall structure remains solid, making it a noteworthy example of a well-preserved classic Ford pickup.
Number 10.
1970 Ford F100, price $9,900. This truck features a manual transmission, a green exterior with a black interior, and runs on gasoline. It is equipped with a strong 390 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and operates as a 2WD truck. The truck runs great and is fully capable of being driven, showing solid overall condition. Although it still needs some finishing touches such as attention to the fender, grille, rear bumper, and a few other small details, it already has many new and aftermarket parts installed. Overall, it is a very solid classic truck with much of the important mechanical work already completed.